Hello everyone! Welcome back to Digital Growth Tutor. In today's video, we're going to learn about location targeting in Google Ads and how to use it properly for better ad performance and less wasted budget. Let's get started. When creating any campaign in Google Ads, location targeting is a common setting for every campaign type. From the left menu, click on Campaign Settings. Here, you will see the Location Settings section. By default, Google may select all countries. You can select your current country or manually enter another location. First, click on the Location Options section. You will see two important targeting options. Option 1, Presence or Interest. People in, regularly in, or who have shown interest in your included location. This is the recommended option by Google. What this means is people outside your target location may still see your ads if they are searching for services related to that location. For example, if your target location is New York and your keyword is pressure cleaning service, someone from Dubai searching for cleaning services in New York may still see your ad. Option 2, Presence. People in or regularly in your included location. This option only targets people physically located in your selected area. For most local businesses, this option is usually better because it helps reduce wasted ad spend, especially for local services, clinics, restaurants, home services, etc. Now let's add locations. You can manually type a country, city, region, or postal code to include or exclude. But I'll show you the advanced search option. Click on Advanced Search. Now type a location. For example, I am adding New York and clicking Include. You can now see the selected area highlighted in blue on the map. This means Google will target people from this area. Sometimes you may want to exclude certain locations. For example, I am excluding New Hampshire. Now you can see the excluded area highlighted in red on the map. This is useful if you don't provide service there, delivery is unavailable, or performance is poor in certain locations. There is also a nearby targeting option. For example, I am selecting nearby areas around New York. This helps target surrounding locations quickly without adding each one manually. You can also add locations in bulk. For example, I am adding 17 cities in the USA at the same time. Then click Target All to include all selected locations in your targeting. This is very useful for nationwide campaigns, multi-city businesses, franchise businesses, etc. You can also add postal codes. For example, I am adding several postal codes. Google will first try to match the locations. You may notice some postal codes are unmatched. You can target individual matched locations or all matched locations together. Another powerful feature is radius targeting. For example, I am targeting an area around London with a 20-mile radius. You can increase or decrease the radius. This is very useful for local businesses. You can even target very small areas. For example, I am targeting Burj Khalifa with a 1-kilometer radius. This is useful for local shops, hotels, events, restaurants, nearby service promotions, etc. I hope this video helped you clearly understand Google Ads location targeting and all the advanced targeting options available. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Digital Growth Tutor for more practical tutorials on Google Ads, Meta Ads, and digital marketing strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.